Hey, welcome to quizglobe.com, where knowledge meets fun. Take quick, exciting quizzes, test your skills, and see how you rank. Let's get started. Can you name this 80s gadget? Sony Walkman TPS L2. Can you name this 80s gadget? Sony Discman D50. Can you name this 80s gadget? Apple Macintosh 128 kilobytes. Can you name this 80s gadget? Betamax VCR. Can you name this 80s gadget? Amiga 500. Can you name this 80s gadget? Atari ST. Can you name this 80s gadget? Commodore 64. That's the end of the quiz. Thanks for listening.